semangat ya kelompok CIRCINUS 58. Kalian pasti bisa selesaiin PGU-nya. Jangan patah semangat, stay strong.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I travel, I don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah.
Deciding to be Prasmulyan is not an easy decision. It's a big deal, but what do we expect from our campus life are being measured by problems, being wise by difficulties, and being success by failures. As a quote that I got from Rumana Toastmaster, life will sometimes feel like a fight. The punches, chops, and hooks will come in the form of challenges, failures, and obstacles. Yet, if you stay in the ring and learn from those past fights, at the end of each round, you'll be still standing.
Now you in Effendi, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get old, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by. What got me down? June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy.
Aku cinta padamu, CIRCINUS 58.
Now you in Effendi, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same.